Can I make fresh apple juice from these apples without having to buy any special equipment? Let's see. Joe's apple tree went nuts this year. She's got all of these apples. She's given me a bunch of them. And I wanted to make apple juice out of it or cider. I talked about getting maybe a cider press or something. They cost a little more than I'm ready to spend right now. So this year I'm going to try to make apple juice from scratch using stuff I already have in the kitchen. So I'm gonna try this today and we're gonna see if it works. And if it's good, then maybe next year I'll get a proper cider press. So you wanna come along and see how it goes? So from what I have seen online, the first step to making juice is you take the apples, cut them into little pieces, and then you have to crush them. Kind of break them up into bits. So since I don't have an apple crusher, I'm going to use my food processor. I'm going to try to break this up into small bits. Blitz it, they say. That's what we're going to try. I think that's probably good enough. Oh, yeah. Okay, so now that they're crushed, now I'm going to try to squeeze the juice out of it. This is where a press would come really handy because it applies a lot of pressure, but I got muscles, so I'm gonna try. We might be in trouble. I'm squeezing the heck out of this and nothing is coming out. Ugh. Okay, I might have to get clever. What can we do here? Oh, look, I'm getting some. It's happening, so I'm gonna keep trying. So far, this is not going very well. I have this much juice. Let's taste it and see if it's good, because if it's not even good, it's not worth continuing to try, right? I have one little shot of apple juice. Okay, that is delicious. Oh my God, that's so good. Okay, I gotta find another way because this is fantastic. I need to figure this out. I have pulverized this even more, hoping that it'll be juicier and they'll be easier to squeeze. So I'm gonna try that. Oh, look at that! Oh my gosh, this is so much better. Okay, this is working so much better. And I'm not even squeezing that hard. Okay, look what I got. Look at all of that. That's like a whole glass. Well, half a glass. Let's try. worked with 2 batches in the food processor. I got this much juice, which I think might fill my glass. Let's see. Oh my gosh, look at that. A whole beautiful, look, beautiful glass of apple juice. I did it. I made a whole glass of fresh apple juice. Yes, it's brown, it's dark. If that bothers you, well, I left the skins on. I didn't peel it. I ain't got time for peeling. This is natural apple juice, and we're gonna try it and see how it tastes. Are you ready? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is delicious. It's perfectly sweet. It's crisp. It's clean. Oh, it tastes like summer. Here's the question though. What do I do next year? Do I bother to get a press to for pressing the apples? I mean, I don't think I need it. This worked just fine, right? Totally DIY with my food processor.